Good morning. How are you all? I hope you are fine. This is the last session. So let's talk about there is and there are. Who can remember there is and there are? There is when we talk about one thing and one person. And there are when we talk about many things and many persons. Such as there are 3 books on the table. Books, a lot of books. So I choose are. There is a pen in my hand. There is pen, one pen. So I choose is. There are 5 students in the class. 5 students. So if you are sitting now in your bedroom, can you tell me an example? Can you tell me like, are there any toys in your bedroom? Is there a computer? Is there a lot of beds or one bed? If there is a fan, if there is the window? Use your mind and tell me. So let's do it together. Birds, a lot of birds. So it will be there is or there are. Excellent. There are birds, a lot of birds. Lizard, one lizard. It will be there is. Rabbits, lots of rabbits. It will be there are rabbits. Snake, one snake. So it will be there is. Spiders, so there are spiders. There is or there are a spider in my bag. One spider. So I will choose there is or there are. Excellent. There is a spider. There are or there is a giraffe in a car. There is. Excellent. There is or there are sharks in that helicopter. A lot of sharks. So it will be there are. There is or there are dolphins in the sea. There are. There is or there are a teacher in the classroom. One teacher. So it will be there is a teacher in the classroom. There are or there is lines in the class, in the school. So it will be there are lines in the school. There are or there is a beer in the cake. So it will be there is. There are or there is boys and girls in my class. So it will be there are boys and girls in my class. There are or there is drawings at our school. So it will be there are drawings. Can you see it? And with us, lots of drawings. So let's choose. There is a. There is a boys? No. There's lines? No. There's a spider? Excellent. So there is a spider. There is a sharks? No. There is a flower? Yes. There is a school? Yes. There is pupils? No. There is a drawing? Yes. What about there are? There are boys, there are lines, there are sharks, there are pupils. There, space 7 candles in the cake. We have 7 candles, a lot of candles. So there is 7 candles? No. So it will be there are 7 candles. There, space a teacher in the classroom. One teacher. So it will be there is a teacher. There a book on the shelf. One book. So it will be there is. So if I say there is books on the shelf, it will be there are. There 8 sandwiches in the basket. 8 sandwiches. So it will be there are 8 sandwiches. There 3 photos on the wall. 3 photos, not only one photo. So it will be there are 3 photos. There are doll or dolls in the toy shop. We have are. Are. We said when we use there are when we talk about many things or many persons. So it will be there are doll? No, there are dolls in the toy shop. There is a or 5 cat under the table. There is one thing. So it will be a or 5. Excellent, a. There is or there are a helicopter in the sky. A helicopter, one helicopter. So there are? No, it will be there is. There are a or 2 girls in the picture. There are 2 girls in the picture. There is a book or books in my bag. Excellent, there is a book. So read and draw. I wanted to draw two pupils and two chairs and a desk and two pencils and a book on the desk, and the pupils are happy. Can you do it? I'm gonna see it who is the perfect. We use there isn't and there aren't to mention things that don't exist, like inside the class. Is there a cat inside the class? No, there isn't. Are there any lions inside the class? No, there aren't. So look at the picture and let's see. There isn't a fan in the class. There isn't a fan, one fan. So we put is, and after is we put no, not. Okay. There aren't any books in the class. Can you see any books? No. So I write aren't any books, many books. There isn't a cat in the class. There isn't a cat in the class. So look at the picture and let's answer together. There is or there isn't, there are or there aren't. A pencil. Can you see a pencil? One pencil. So I will choose there is or there isn't. So the pencil exists or doesn't exist? Exists. So I will choose there is. Any crayons? There aren't any crayons. A computer. There is a computer. Three pupils. 1, 2, 3. So there are or there aren't. We have three pupils. We said we choose there are when we talk about many things or many people. So there are or there aren't. There are. Excellent. There are three pupils. A teacher, one teacher. There is or there isn't. There is a teacher. Any scissors? Can you say scissors? No. So it will be there are or there aren't. There aren't any scissors. A globe. There is a globe. A school bag. One school bag. So it will be there is a school bag. Any posters? Can you see? No, there aren't any posters. Question form. If I ask, I start with am, is, are, and then I put at the end of the sentence question mark. Like, is there a fan inside the class? Yes, there is. Are there any flowers inside the class? No, there aren't. Okay, so I want example for yes. How can I tell me an example? Okay, is there a chair inside the class? Yes, there is. Are there books inside the class? Yes, there are. Okay, a teacher, one teacher. So it will be is or are. Who can tell me? Excellent. Is there a teacher? We have yes in the answer. So we write what? Yes, there is. Any pupils? A lot of pupils. So is there or are there? Excellent. Are there any pupils? So we have yes in the answer. So to be yes, there are. A board, one board. So is there or are there? Are there a board? No. Is there a board? Yes. So is there a board? We have no in the answer. So what should I do? I have to put not. So no, there isn't. An apple, one apple. So is there or are there? One apple. Are there? No. Is there? Yes. Is there an apple? Yes, there is. Any pencils? Is there or are there? Are there any pencils? No, there aren't. A globe, one globe. Is there a globe? No. No what? No there are or no there aren't? Sorry, no there is or no there isn't? No, there isn't a globe. So I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understand. See you soon. Bye. Love you.